It used me as in Nebraska.
It is?
Yeah.
What's it doing there?
It has monsters.
What has monsters and what?
Nebraska and birds.
And birds?
Yeah.
What are the monsters and birds doing in Nebraska?
They're going to eat penis.
Why would they do that?
Because it's food.
It's food for monsters and birds?
Yeah.
That's silly.
I should do this. Oh.
Uh-oh. Be careful. Phoebe's right there. You should get off that toy. Don't stand on it.
What are you saying?
You're just playing.
Yeah.
Phoebe. Hey, pretty girl. Charlie, please get off of it. Don't stand on toys. Whoa.
What is it?
Whoa. Can you get it, Phoebe? Don't leave it, leave it, leave it. Let Phoebe try to get it. Good job, Phoebes. Good job, Phoebes.
I'm playing with it.
You are. Is Phoebe going to play with it too?
Yeah.
Now that I took it away? Are you going to sit down?
There's the balls in. What can they get the ball? There's the balls.
Are there balls in there?
Yeah. See? There is. There is. See? See the balls?
What color are they?
Red. What colors are there? What colors are there?
I don't know.
Green and red and yellow and red and green. What are those colors called? The penguins. What are this? Red? Yeah. Green. What are those? Yeah. Yellow, yellow, yellow. Yellow, yellow, yellow. Yellow, green.